Alright, once you have your grids placed and spot elevations all set, we're ready to draw some walls around the perimeter. And in this case, we've got going to wall. We'll choose a wall that's as close as we can find to what we want. Here it is, exterior brick on CMU. But I want to change that. I've got the preview window open, as you can see here. I want to change that, but I want to leave theirs alone. So first we're going to duplicate it, and we'll call it exterior CMU. Yeah, let's just leave it. Whoops, it's number 2. It's so similar. All we're going to do is remove the interior gypsum board and furring. Say OK to that. Edit. I'm going to zoom in on this. Page down. I want to take off the gypsum board, delete, and furring channel, delete, and everything else should be good. Everything else looks okay. Say OK to that. OK, and now we can start to draw. And now what I want is I want my core face exterior. That's the outside face of the block. If you look carefully, when we were editing that wall, core face was set to the inside and outside of the interior CMU block. So I want the outside face to be on the grid. So that's what I'm going to set my wall up as. Height. We're going to set the height right now to the top of the parapet. So it's going to start on level 1 and go up to the top of the parapet. Here it says base constraint, main floor, top constraint, top of parapet, and we don't want any offset. This is one way to do it. There are multiple ways. Okay, I think we're ready to draw then. So we start here, and we make the H pattern following the intersections of the grids. So if our grids are laid out accurately, this step is very fast. Zoom in on that. And you can see by choosing core face exterior, we got the outside face of this of the CMU on the grid, and that's where we wanted it. So that's just great. Now we're going to have a look at that in elevation. And you can see it goes from the main floor all the way up to the top of the parapet, so that's good. And in 3D view, I've got that cut off right now. We can take that section box away, and there it is. So that reads well. Now let's go back to level 1 and create a floor inside of that wall. We'll come back with a separate video for that.